Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This was sent to me by maxace, as is probably apparent by the super shiny packaging. It is heavy, it's big. I don't think it's monstrous, but I'm pretty certain there's a big knife in here. So, very excited to see what nonsense maxace has cooked up for the knife world. Thanks to maxace for, I'm going to give them their own little special intro here. Thanks to maxace for being weird. I love that. I know lots of people do. You guys make great stuff. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you've never seen a maxace knife, or you don't know who maxace is, well, then you're in for a treat. Whatever this is, I will, there's two things, that's why. There's two knives in here. We're gonna open them both up. Oh, there's a sheath. Okay. Whatever these are, I will link them down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Alrighty, so, I mean, it looks nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice, kind of blue. Let's open this one first. This is the albatross, okay? Gotta break the seal here. Gonna break the seal on that guy. Why'd I say it twice? I don't know. Alright, maxace albatross. Not huge, but definitely a cool looking knife, okay? We have carbon fiber inlays. Wait a second. What kind of carbon fiber? What kind? And I don't think this glows. I don't think it does, but we have to test it. Yeah, it's worth testing it, just in case, because you never know with maxace. It's just got enough of an off-white in there that I'm curious. Oh, now hold on. It does, unless my eyes are playing tricks on me. Hold on. Let's give it a good charge here before I shut all the lights off. Yeah, we're gonna find out. I didn't, I looked at it, just had that kind of creamy white look, and I was like, is that glow stuff? Hold on. All right, ready? Yeah, it's blue! Cool! I love this stuff. Has to be the same on the other side as well. Ah, that's so cool. The only other time I've seen this is with CMB made stuff. So neat. Very cool. Wish we saw more glow-in-the-dark carbon fiber for sure. I think that is definitely something that people would like to see. So yeah. Now, here's my question. maxace, how did you intend... it is not... It's a non-locking knife. Okay. So, unless... Everybody got mad at me for that one knife. That one catsuit that was supposed to lock, and I never figured it out during the unboxing. This does not appear to lock. We do have a really nice, not quite a 90 degree angle half stop here, which I prefer because when you're holding it like this and you go to close it, the stop is at an angle like this, so it's much less likely to cut your index finger by closing it one-handed. But that is nice. I'd say not a super heavy pull, nice long blade. This is great for, I know a lot of people ask why a non-locking knife. Well, here in the United States, we don't really have to worry about laws that prohibit locking knives, but we've got it easy, most of us, especially those of us like me who live in Kansas, where you can carry almost anything. You can carry a battle axe down the street if you want to, it doesn't matter. But there are lots of places around the world that have laws against locking knives. And if you live in an area that doesn't necessarily prohibit knives with length similar to this, but they prohibit locking systems, then this is a good option. And it's cool. I mean, come on now. Glow-in-the-dark carbon fiber, that's great. Very cool. So it says Albatross Bowler M39. I really wish it didn't have the name of the knife on the knife, but okay. Judging by this build, and because this is, I guess, this is like a light blue box, I don't think this is going to be a horrifically expensive knife, but very cool and not what I expected. This feels a bit heavier. Oh, this is also sealed up. Sorry. Okay. This feels a bit heavier. What was this one called? The Orion M23A. Okay. Yeah, I just saw a picture of this one. Okay. So much more of a plain Jane aesthetic. Honestly, very nice, though. Both of these are going to be maxace knives. That's in MagnaCut. So if this is your first time seeing a maxace knife, if you go to their website, you're going to be like, well, if you're judging off this video, you're going to say, hey, you said they're going to be crazy, and they look pretty straightforward. Yeah, these do. If you go to their website, your brain's going to be melted because the stuff that they create is generally very crazy. But this is along the lines of what I usually say. Look how they polished the lock bar insert there. That's a nice little touch. How random. This is along the lines of, their stuff that's meant for just general EDC, just with a little bit of a premium touch. But because it's maxace, you can probably expect there to be a super reasonable price tag on both of these, considering we're looking at, in this case, contoured titanium, a full titanium milled pocket clip, full titanium backspacer, and MagnaCut. No idea what it's been heat treated to, but good materials and really, really nice overall quality. Is the spine of this is like, the spine and the flats are polished differently than the bevel or the angle down to the cutting edge. But yeah, that looks really nice. I like that one. I would expect that to be a super nice price tag. Let's measure both of these real quick. Overall length is 8.5 inches for this guy. And then the Albatross, actually shorter? Wow. Yeah, it is. I think this guy's only about 8.25. No, it's just shy of 8.5. It's like 8.35. Okay, let's weigh them both real quick. I do like that. More glow-in-the-dark carbon fiber. And, the people who won't use it, fine. Then it's just carbon fiber. But I think it's cool that it glows. Weight on this guy, 5.68 ounces. Unsurprising. This guy, the glowy boy, 3.70 ounces. And yes, there's this glow-in-the-dark carbon fiber on both sides. So it will glow on both sides. Yeah, all right. That is pretty cool. I'm very happy that these exist. It's like I said, I would like to see more inlays like this on knives. And honestly, can you imagine if they had done an inlay on this guy in the glow-in-the-dark carbon fiber? Man, that would have been great. What else do these come with? Something? Oh yeah, of course. It's maxace, so it comes with a ton of additional things. So this slip, I know you guys are probably wanting me to put it in there at the beginning. This is clearly meant for this guy because there's no pocket clip, right? So, yeah, I mean, that works. You've got just enough sticking out of the top, whether you want to carry it like this or like this. I don't know how you guys like to carry these. I wish the slip itself had a pocket clip, right? Because this probably won't tip over in your jeans pocket, given how wide it is. But, I mean, I still would prefer that it clipped. I always get excited when I see slips with pocket clips on them, right? I like that. Then you don't have to pull the whole thing out of your pocket and then pull the knife out of it, right? A lot of times it stays in your pocket and it stays in one place. Anyways, still cool. Probably could be easily modified. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. Both of these knives will get full comprehensive reviews. This was not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. These knives will be linked down in the description along with maxace knives in general. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.